kids! Ready to sing and dance with me? Let's jump into the fun with Chubby Cheeks! And get ready to clap your hands and smile wide. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lip, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Wow! Very nice. Let's do it again. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lip, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Wow! You all are doing so well. And for your performance, now I am giving you star and smiley. And you keep practicing this rhyme with actions. And if you like this video, then shower your love with like and subscribe. And now, goodbye. See you in the next video.